In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed a Typeform form into your Shopify site. Whether you're looking to collect customer feedback, gather data, or simply enhance the user experience, this integration will help elevate your Shopify store effortlessly. Let's dive in and explore how you can do this step by step. First, ensure you've got a Typeform account ready with a form you wish to embed. If you don't have one yet, no worries. Head over to Typeform's website, sign up, and create a form that suits your needs. Once your form is ready, it's time to grab the embed code. In your Typeform dashboard, locate the form you'd like to add to Shopify and click on the Share button. You'll see several sharing options, but for this tutorial, focus on the Embed option. Click on it, and you'll be shown a few different ways to embed your form on a site. For Shopify, the standard embed option is often the most straightforward choice. Copy the entire embed code to your clipboard. Now, let's shift our attention to your Shopify admin panel. Log into your Shopify account and navigate to the Online Store section in the left-hand menu. From there, select the Themes option. This is where you'll find all the customization tools for your website's appearance. Once you're in the Themes section, click on the button labeled Customize associated with the theme you're currently using. This will bring up the Theme Editor, a powerful tool where you can modify various aspects of your online store, such as the home page, product pages, and more. For our purposes, you'll want to decide where on your site you'd like the Typeform to appear. A common placement is on a specific page, such as a Contact Us or Feedback page, depending on the form's purpose. Once you've determined the appropriate page, click Add Section. Choose the option that lets you add custom HTML. This may be labeled as Custom Content or Custom HTML, depending on your theme. This step is crucial as it allows for the direct pasting of your Typeform embed code. Click into the new HTML box that appears and simply paste the embed code you copied earlier from Typeform. Now, let's preview your changes. Save your work and take a moment to view the page where you've embedded your Typeform. You should see your form fully integrated and functional, ready for users to interact with. Go through the form yourself to ensure everything is working smoothly. Sometimes, minor adjustments may be needed, so don't hesitate to dive back into the theme editor if necessary. Congratulations! You've successfully embedded a Typeform into your Shopify store. This powerful tool will not only enrich the user interaction but also provide valuable insights straight to your Typeform dashboard. By integrating these two platforms, you've taken a significant step towards enhancing your store's functionality and user engagement. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!